Racusin, center fielder, Marist College.
Brody Cook, shortstop and second base. I go to Virginia Commonwealth University.
My name is Joe Camp. I play first base at Francis Marion University.
Ben Kocher, third base from Belmont University.
Conrad Wozniak, pitcher, UMBC.
Would definitely be playing catch with my brother when I was like 4 years old.
My first baseball memory is watching Barry Bonds hit a home run on my birthday.
My first baseball memory is playing catch with my dad in the backyard.
Going to Cubs games when I was younger, and probably just getting autographs from all the big leaguers.
T-ball on the Astros, I hit a home run.
Winning a youth national championship in 8th grade.
Favorite baseball memory is hitting 2 home runs in our championship in high school.
My favorite baseball memory would definitely be winning the 2011 WCAC championship with St. John's.
Favorite baseball memory probably be hitting for the cycle my freshman year of high school.
This year, actually, I won my first playoff game. It was pretty sweet.
Bull Durham.
Favorite baseball movie is Hardball.
Favorite baseball movie would be Moneyball.
Rookie of the year.
Major League.
Clemente by David Marinas.
Favorite baseball book is Jackie Robinson's autobiography.
Favorite baseball book would also be Moneyball.
Probably High Heat by Michael Lupica, I think it was.
Don't have one. Moneyball. Okay, I'll go with that one. Yeah, good one, Joe. Thank you.
New York Mets.
The Boston Red Sox.
Favorite baseball team is the Colorado Rockies.
Chicago Cubs.
Astros. Houston Astros.
Nick Markakis.
Xander Bogaerts.
Player would be Todd Helton.
Chris Bryant.
Favorite baseball. So many. I'll just go with Jose Altuve for now.
Definitely Ansu Huang.
Joe Kemp.
Joe.
Favorite T-Bolt would be Conrad Wozniak.
Daniel Shaw, for sure.
Joe Camp.